Look here, general term of an AP we have to find. Here first term is A and common difference is D. We can find the general term. General term we can write by AN, and this is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. This is the formula for the general term. Look here, if we have to write here first term we write here only A, because 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into D is 0. Second term we can write here A plus 1 less here, 2 minus 1 is D, so you can write here. Third term we can write A plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 2D we can write, and fourth term is A plus 3D. Okay, fifth term is A plus 4D, and sixth term is A plus 5D. All of understand this way we can find. Look at D, we have to take one less. If we have A2 means D is 1 only, 3 means D is 2 only, 4 means D is 3 only. Okay, all of understand this type we can find. Look here, one question is, so that the sequence 9, 12, 15, 18 dot 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 is an AP, find its general term, and 10th term we have to find. So look here, this sequence is given to us 9, 12, 15 and 18. Okay, and we have to find the difference. So difference is 12 minus 9, and this is equal to 3. Similarly, we find the difference 15 minus 12, this is also 3, and the difference is 18 minus 15, and this is also 3. Now here differences are equal, means we can say right here it is an AP, and the D is 3. Now here the first term is 9 and D is 3. We have to write first the general term. General term formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 D. Place of A we put 9, and N minus 1 D is 3. We open the bracket, we get 9 plus 3N minus 3. This is equal to 3N plus 6. This is the general term we get. Now we have to find the 10th term, means A10 we have to find. A is here 9 and N is here 10 minus 1 and D is here 3. So 9 plus 10 minus 1 is here 9, 9 into 3, and 9 plus 93 is 27, and 27 and 9 we will add, we will get here 36. So 10th term is 36 we get. Look here all of you, we have to find the number of terms of an AP. Here the terms are 2, 9, 16 and dot 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 709. These are the AP, and we have to find the number of terms. Look here the first term is we will write here 2. Okay, first term is 2, and the D common difference is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7, and 9 plus 7 is 16. So this type we get the, and this is the nth term we write. Nth term is 709, and our formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 and D. Here AN is 709, and A is here 2, and is we have to find, and D is here 7. Look here, we will open the bracket, we will get here 2 plus 7 and minus 7. So 709 equal to 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Minus 5 we will transfer, we will get here 709 plus 5 equal to 7n. We will add this, we will get 714 equal to 7n. So n equal to 714 upon 7. We will cancel, we will get n. 7 1 ja 7 and 0 and 7 2 ja 14. So n equal to 102, means AP consists 102 terms. All of you understand this? Look here, sum to n terms of an AP. This formula for sum of n term is Sn equal to n by 2 bracket 2a plus bracket n minus 1 d, and one more formula we have Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. Look here, if you have the first term and last term and number of terms is given, you will use this formula, and if first term is given, difference is given and n is given, that time we will use this long formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Look at one question is find the sum of 20th term of an AP. Sum of 20 term we have to find. The AP is 1, 4, 7 and 10. Here first term is 1, difference is 4 minus 1, this is 3, and 3 of all the terms we have difference same, and here n is 20. We have to find the sum of 20th term. So first we write formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, now place of n we will put here 20. So we get here as 20 equal 20 by 2, 2a is here 1 plus n minus 1 means here 20 minus 1 and d is 3. So 20 and 2 we divide, we get here 10, 2 plus this we get 19 into 3, and 10 and 2 19 3 ja 57, 57 plus 2 is 59, so 10 into 59, so this is equal to 590. So we get the sum of this term is 590. Here next question is find the sum of the series 5, 13, 21 and 181. This is a series and we have to find the sum. Here the first term is we know 5 and the d is 13 minus 5 and we get here 8. Okay, and a and nth term is given to us 181. First we use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So we get here an is 181 equal to a is 5 and plus n minus 1 and d is here 8. So 180, look here, 181 equal to 5 plus 8n minus 8, and this is equal to 181 equal to 5 minus 8 is 3. 3 we transfer, we get here 184 equal to 8n. So n equal to 184 upon 8. 8 2 ja 16 and 8 3 ja 24. So we get number of terms are 23. Now we use the short formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus an. Why? Because here we know n term, n and a all we have, so we use the short formula. N is here 23, n is 23 and upon 2, a is here 5 and an is 181, and this we can write here 23 by 2 and 5 and 181 we will add, we will get here 186. 186 we can cancel by 2, 2 9 ja 18 and 2 3 ja 6, and these two we will multiply, we get here 2139. All of you understand this?